Okay, today class 3 EVS chapter 1 My Body we want to discuss. Sometime it may be asked that draw a figure of tongue. Here in this case you are observing upper part bitter, lower part sweet is written and both sides written sour and salty. Try to draw this figure in your copy. Now some words: fragrance, nice smell. Meditation, staying calm and quiet. Sensitive, feels easily. Sense organs, the body organs which help us to sense various things around us. Try to understand. I am going to discuss chapter first. Here once again there is given keywords. It may be possible. Fragrance, nice smell. Meditation, staying calm and quiet. Sensitive, feels easily. Sense organs, the body organs which help us to sense various things around us. Now we are starting chapter 1. My body. Here you are seeing a body of a boy. Here written hair, nose, palm, leg, thigh, toes, finger, hand, neck. You should write in your book also. Our body is a wonderful gift of nature. It means our body is given by nature. It has many parts. These help us in many ways. We will discuss many parts. First things, try to understand sense organs. Sense organs means which organs which gives us sense. These are sense organs. Here you are observing this girl is eating something. Here something is kept. Here this boy is touching eyes, and also so many things you might observe. Neha's elder sister has prepared a nice dish. Neha puts a spoonful of it in her mouth and says, "Oh, there is no salt in it." Okay. Rahul touches a block of ice and immediately draws his finger away. He says it is very cold. Asking, there is a band playing very loud music in the neighborhood park. Sonam puts her hand on her ears and says, they are making a loud noise. They can differentiate loud noise with the help of ear. You know you can hear anything with the help of ear. When we see a beautiful painting, we say, "Oh, it is beautiful." Sunil brings a rose flower near her nose and says, has a nice smell. These examples tell us that our tongue, skin, ears, eyes and nose are able to taste, feel, hear, see and smell various objects. It means these are 5 sense organs: tongue, skin, ears, eyes and nose. And work: taste, tongue taste, skin feel, ear hear, eyes see and nose smell various objects. Try to understand. Sometimes it is asked that what are the works of different sense organs. You may write tongue, taste, skin, feel, ear, hear, eyes, see and last nose, smell various objects. Our body or organs which help us to sense various things present around us are called sense organs. Eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue are our sense organs. Now let us study about tongue. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of different food items. It is very sensitive. It even help us to find out the various flavors present in different food items such as ice cream, chutneys and sauce. You know, you are eating ice cream, so you know about ice cream. Now once again, there is given figure of tongue. Our tongue has different parts which are sensitive to different tastes. Okay, sensitive to different taste by which body organs? Tongue. Our tongue has 3000 taste buds. Our tongue is the strongest muscle in our body. Try to understand. Strongest muscle is in our body is tongue. The average length of the human tongue is 10 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter. Ears. Next thing, ears. When we go out, we often hear birds chirping, children making all kinds of sounds, and vehicles or animals making different types of sounds. Our ear help us to listen to all these different sounds and to recognize them. They also tell us the direction from where a given sound is coming. Ears help us to differentiate between loud sounds and gentle sounds. Which differentiate between loud sounds and gentle sounds? You may answer ear. Very loud sounds are unpleasant and harmful for our ears. How do we feel when a bus tire bursts in front of us? We immediately cover our ears. A skin. Here you may feel about a skin. A skin enables us to feel smooth and rough surfaces, hot and cold things, and so on. We also get the feeling of pain when we are injured or bitten by an insect. The skin also helps to protect the parts of our body present below it. The largest organ of our body is the skin. Okay, which is the largest organ of our body? That is skin. Nose. Our nose helps us to smell different types of smells and fragrance. It can differentiate between good and bad smells. Who differentiate a smell, good and bad? That is nose. Now, wonderful. Without eyes, nobody can see. You know this thing. Eyes are a wonderful gift of nature or to mankind. They help us to see various objects around us. Eyes also help us to get an idea of the distance of various objects. You may see distance object. They help us to know whether a given object is nearby or far off. It means it is near or it is far from you. Eyes also help us to know the difference between various colors. It is our eyes that make us say that the rose is red and the leaf is green. Our eyes also help us to express our feelings and emotions. Look at the faces below and match them with their feelings. Here shy, scared, angry. It is opposite. This the angry. Okay, this is right. Happy, lonely. Okay. Now taking care of our sense organ. In these days, you are not going to school, so certainly you are knowing that you should keep our environment clean. Not only environment but also we should take care on our body, also of our sense organs. Clean our tongue with a tongue cleaner. Bath daily to keep your skin clean. Avoid eating too hot or too cold things. Never touch or poke your eyes, nose or ears with any pointed object. Avoid reading in dim light. It means there is no light. Where there you should not study. Avoid watching TV or working on computer or playing video games for a long duration. Do meditation and exercise regularly. You know, I am also taking yoga classes. You have done this thing. Okay, that's all in this chapter. Now question time. Here it is written. I have also sent here. Okay, and I will send you PDF also. Okay, thank you.